Okay, alkane will produce more carbon compared to alkane. Kat sini mungkin awak akan confuse. So why alkena produce lagi banyak asam hitam? Even though, okay, as example, let's say if we compare tin, okay, this is alkana. Let me draw the structure first. Compare with ethane. Same number of carbon but different homologous series. Same number of carbon but different homologous series. Okay, the difference is the number of hydrogen. Betul tak? Because of double bond here, the number of hydrogen from both structure are different. As example here, hydrogen inside ethane consists of, we got 6 hydrogen. Hydrogen inside ethane meanwhile have 4. So apa yang akan membezakan dia? Pernah belajar tak how to calculate weight ratio ataupun heat percentage of each element? Ni sajalah. The formula is quite same in chapter form 4. Okay, chapter 2. Formula untuk calculate relative mass of atom. As example here, let's say if I have C2H4. If I calculate, okay, the percentage of carbon inside this compound, okay, it will be like this. 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen plus 2 carbon. So carbon have RAM, the relative atomic mass of 12. Okay, carbon 12, hydrogen 1. So 2 times 12, 24, and then 24 plus 4, 28. From here, okay, awak akan dapat lah, awak times with 100%, and then awak akan dapat the percentage. Compare if we calculate the weight percentage of ethana ataupun ethane, C2H3. The difference is the number ataupun the total percentage of carbon inside ethane, okay, dia akan jadi lagi rendah. This one akan jadi less carbon. This one more carbon. Okay, kalau tak percaya, okay, kita try kira. The first one, ethane, okay, yang pen merah ni, this is ethane, okay, group alkene, ethane. So calculate and then I got 85.7%. So this is for ethane. Okay, so buat satu lagi slide. So I try to calculate the percentage of carbon. Okay, percent of carbon inside this. So kira lah, sama juga 24 plus 24 over, but this time 24 30 over 30 times with 100 degree, 100%. From here 24 over 30 times with 100, 80%. Same or not? Lain kan, nampak? 80% here. Somehow from ethane we got higher number of carbon percentage, 85. Tapi macam apa boleh? Why this is happening? Because the total mass of molecule are different. So that's why from this table, okay, kita punya statement here, from the combustion reaction, the alkane will produce less fuel when burned.